welcome to another Lessons with Dad. So today we're going to look at the first four chords for the song Diary of a Madman. So this is from Ozzy Osbourne and Randy Rhoads, originally released on the album of the same name in 1981. So the song's intro is played on an acoustic guitar and uses a lot of classical etude. So you're going to see it's very much arpeggiated as far as the chords go. So the song's in D sharp minor. It uses a half step down tuning as well. So for each one of the strings, you're going to want to use your tuner and tune them down a half step. So your E is going to tune down to a D sharp, your A is going to tune down to a C sharp, etc. So you want to do that across each one of these. Just watch your tuner turning it down until it goes a half step lower. So the first chord, this is an A minor add ninth, and it's played basically this way. You're going to put your pinky onto the 7th fret of the D string. Your ring finger is going to be on the 6th fret of your G string. The index finger is going to go on the 4th fret of the B string, and you're going to play the E open. So now for every single one of these chords, how you play these is you're going to be playing from the open A string. You're going to play four down steps, four pick strokes down. So from A, D, G, B, and then you're going to go from the E string, the high E string, you're going to pick 4 steps up. So E, B, G, D. So just it's the easiest way to keep your timing on how that intro plays. And he does kind of adjust the speed as he's playing it, so he kind of speeds up and slows down. Just listen to the recording and you'll get it. So that's our first chord. Now our second chord is formed by lifting up your pinky finger off that 7th fret on the D string, and you're going to put down your middle finger on the 5th fret on the D string. And that's all there is to that change. So this is the second chord, and then you're going to play that same down 4, up 4. So, right? Now, when we go to our second chord, when we go to our third chord rather, what we're going to do is we're going to actually do this shape. And this is a G major shape, right? What he's doing is he's doing it more as the arpeggiated shape, or as along the lines of like a cage shape, etc. So what you're going to do on this third chord is you're going to put your index finger is going to be on the 4th fret on the D, your ring finger on the 5th fret on the G, your middle finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the B, and your pinky is going to be on the 5th fret of the E. So you're going to play all of those. It's better to have your thumb back behind the fretboard, right? Not hung over and that sort of thing. Do this because you want to make sure you've got good steepled fingers to play this. So, and again, you're going to play the 4 down, 4 up. So, and here you can hear that diminished tone that he's using to add some of that gravity to the melody of this song. So our fourth chord, which is the final one that we're going to look at in this lesson, is you're going to form this by simply shifting your index, middle, and ring finger back 1 fret each, like this, right? And so what you're doing is you're now going to have your index finger is going to be on the 3rd fret on the D string, your ring finger is going to be on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the B string, with that pinky left right there on the high E string. So, and again, just that same process of down, down. So then across all 4 of these chords, you start at the first one and playing again, down, 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 up, up, up. Sorry, down, 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 up, 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 up. And you're just going to go. And that's all for this lesson. Next time, we'll take a look at the next 4 chords for this intro, which I'll be recording soon.